guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another wig video. I was kind of gone for a couple of weeks, but you know, your girl had her exams and everything, but I'm officially done my first year of nursing. I'm so excited about that. That's not what this video is about. This video is a update on this hair. This is a hair that I previously did in a video from a company called Beafay. This is their Indian straight hair that I had for over a month now. Me and my girl washed the hair and then she wanned it because I wanted to see how the hair would hold the curls even though it was Indian straight. So I really got to put this hair to the test. When we washed it, there was minimal shedding, which was a good thing. There's just only like a little, maybe like 10%, which most hairs shed anyways. Even though it's been a month, the hair still looked brand new. It still looks fresh. A month since I've had the hair and the hair is in still good condition. So yeah, we wanded the hair. This is what the hair looks like wand. Looks really cute. Cute. Like, this is really super cute. The hair really shocked me. It also shocked my friend because, as I said before, this is Indian straight. Look at this hairdresser.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to style it while you're filming.
But while she styles my hair, as I was saying before, when we wand the hair, like, we're really shocked to know that even though it was Indian straight, because when I got the hair, it was bone straight. So to see it curl like this really surprised us. And again, I've had this hair for over a month as well, so this hair king one. It's super cute. Makes me look rich. I look bougie, like I look so dressed up. Yes, yes. I need to wear this in Jamaica so Ziggy can like rip it off and shit, you know. So that is a quick update on this hair, a little side view. Yeah, that is basically it for this video. Don't forget to check out the description box down below for all the details on this hair, and I will see you guys in my next video. Deuces. And don't forget to check out my description box to check out my girl Monique. I know some of you guys hit her up already. Shout out to you guys. But yeah, make sure you guys check her out. All her information will be listed down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Me outie.